You're late.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is ARA. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm so excited for today's video because we are finally finishing the series of the Powerpuff Girls. Today we are finishing it with Buttercup, who I waited until the very end to do because I was kind of putting off wearing green until the last minute, but it's fine because we're here. She honestly, I don't know if it's just the hair or if it's like the shirt, but I feel like this is the most like fashion forward out of all three of them that I've done so far. I don't know, I think she's cute. I like her. So if you also like her, make sure you go down below and press the like button. Make sure you also press the subscribe button. And make sure you hit that bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. She's a YouTuber now, oh my God. You act like she's been doing it forever. Oh my God. I know, I'm sorry, it's fine. On that note, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So stay tuned and let's head on over to the transformation station. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start by putting just this green, which you guys know how I feel about green, so that's why I saved Buttercup for last, because I was really not looking forward to doing hers. And you'll also notice that it's going to be mainly black, just with a pop of green, because I hate green. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started by applying this. I hate green so much. This is why I'm not Buttercup. Buttercup can't hurt. Hate. Oh my God. Buttercup cannot hate her own color. Oh my God, you're so rude and aggressive. So what would be my superpower? What would be my weakness? That's not a weakness. My superpower would be I can make their appearance be whatever they want it to be. So like shape-shifting, but like I can make it happen anyway. So like what is the Harry Potter transfiguration? Very that. But it's like I was gonna say the weakness would be like they can never change back, but like I don't think that's good enough. I'm gonna go with I can only do it when there's a rainbow outside. Well, I don't want it to be every day. Exactly. I don't want it to be every day because then I don't want people coming up to me 24/7 and be like, can I look like a cat today? Okay, the ugly color is on. So now we are going to basically cover it all up with black. The worst advice that I've ever given somebody is to smile. That's so sad. No, because saying that smiling is bad advice. Because I honestly can't think about it, because usually when I give advice to people, I don't see the outcome of it. Yeah, no. Ketchup and eggs, disgusting. Ketchup and rice, disgusting. That meal that we used to eat in preschool or kindergarten, it was like the hot dog, the cut up hot dogs and like beans. Those, disgusting. No, I love them, but when you think about what you're eating, that is gross. Okay, so I'm now going to cut in a halo crease, I think, is what I want to do. So I'm gonna attempt to do that from this far away from the mirror. We're gonna see how this goes. Probably not gonna go very well, but I'm gonna bring the mirror closer, don't get mad at me. I mean, literally the only comedians I've ever listened to, I think, are like Kevin Hart and Jeff Dunham. Those are the two that I've ever listened to. So I meant to put green there. I'm gonna put gold. I'm gonna put gold there in a second, but I need green as a base. Green. Love that song. So I cut my crease and I set it with a green eyeshadow that we used to blend in the crease. And now I am using a gold to just pop it right in the middle, just for some like added dimension. Favorite letter of the alphabet? I like. It's such a stupid question. I'm also gonna use that gold to apply it on my inner corner as well. Stupid question. That's just my baby dog. My baby dog. That's basically what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna do it on the other eye now, so I'm gonna stop talking about the makeup because that's basically the end of it. I'll apply some liner and a lash and stuff, but that'll be it. Favorite letter of the alphabet. What is your favorite letter of the alphabet? You have several favorite letters. I literally have had a friend be like super upset because like he was having boy problems and he was stressed out because of school and all that type of stuff because he was going to nursing school. And so I literally told him, I was like, you have 30 minutes to get up, get a shower, get dressed. I'm coming and I'm picking you up and we're going to get food and you're not going to stop me. So either be ready or you're going to leave the house looking gross. So then we went and we had a fun day. We went to the mall and hung out and I took him out for dinner and all that type of stuff and just kept his mind off of everything else going on. And yeah, I guess that's what I do, is I just try to distract people from their normal world. This looks like a St. Patrick's Day makeup. You can give me a first name and I can probably find that person. Like I literally do it all the time. I had met this guy at the bar one time and all I knew was his first name. And in my phone, I put first and last name so that I know who everyone is. And I literally was like, what is his last name? Because he had told me, but I forgot. So I literally went on Facebook and in about 5 minutes found him, found his family, found his old photos from 2013. And I know what he used to look and sound like. Because I found videos of him talking.
Oh my God, don't ever leave me.
Ever.
Good. Because I'd find you.
Yeah, I'm good at my job. It's fun to me. So to answer your question, no. Murder? I could do it without getting caught, right?
Yeah.
Who? I have no idea. I know you didn't say who. I'm saying who. I have no idea who it would be, but I don't know. So if there was a purge, you wouldn't kill people? The what? Can this be your Halloween costume this year? So you have theme music everywhere you go? So I'm just picturing you being like, sister, but it has every gunshot is on beat. Or then you like throw a grenade at like the very end of a song so it sounds like a drag mix where it ends with a boom. Turn me up. Okay, so now I'm going to do the finishing touch, which is applying the rhinestones that we do for each of the girls. What do you classify as a blind date? Is that like the whole you show up and you don't know who you're meeting because somebody else set it up? In that case, no, would never. Like in person or never seen them like at all. Like I don't know what they look like. But like the whole friend setting you up with this guy, no, I will never. Mainly because I can't for safety reasons. Oh, my friend really thinks you're cute. Does he know all about me though? Does he know about me though? Oh, okay. But does he know about me though? Yeah, he knows you're a drag queen. But how do you mean Hercules? Woo-hoo-hoo! I'd like to make some sweet music with his. I have finished the makeup. We're gonna go ahead and go off camera and transform. Okay guys, and that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. This is the final look. I'm so happy with the way it turned out because it's not a lot of green. Like yes, there's the background. Yes, there's the shirt, but like my makeup, not too much, so I'm perfectly fine with it. Yeah, so if any of you guys recreate this look, please make sure that you tag me on Instagram at ARA_vanity. My TikTok is also ARA_vanity, so make sure you guys follow me on there as well and duet me with anything that you see on there because I love seeing you guys respond to me on there. Yeah, so I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure that you guys go down below, like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz. And until next time, I think that's gonna be it, so bye.